Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another video, and today we are back with another DIY, but this time we are going to be trying the DIY junk tie. If y'all seen previously, I did the socks, I did the skirt, and I had a bunch of leftovers, so I was like, let me go ahead and give this a try. So I decided to not make a tie. I decided to purchase a tie. So I purchased this tie from Amazon. It is the Hello Tie brand. It came in multiple different colors, already done and quick and easy. So I was like, okay, let me just grab this. They have so many different colors. I will leave that down in the description box below. So then I had, of course, some more of those beads I had before. I had some more iron-ons left. I had a couple of my trinkets left from my junk socks. And then, of course, the E6000 glue, and then I just have my iron already on, popping hot, ready to go for those iron-ons. So something nice and simple. So here is again the tie. I went on ahead and just tied my tie, got it to my neck, good area, and went on ahead and left that as is, so it could be easy just to iron on and do what I needed to do. So first we're going to start with these iron-ons. I had a couple different ones still left over from that pack that I bought on Amazon, so I was trying to see which ones would best kind of suit this. So this again is going to be something nice and girly and cute. So I had a flower, had a little deck of cards. I had some cherries. I think I had some kiss signs, some kisses. I had this flamingo that was like stand tall. So I felt like this was kind of super cute, and it kind of gave you like some authority as a girl to kind of stand tall. I don't know. It just made sense for me. I didn't want to put too many on here. I thought maybe like 4, but then I thought again, I'm like, I don't like how that looks. I'm a visual person, so of course I had to try to visualize what I wanted to do. Of course, with the junk tie, you can do whatever you want to. You can add your brooches, you can add your name, initials, all of that, but I decided to just do 3 of these iron-ons to start me off. So these are the ones that I chose: the flower, the carded decks, and then the stand tall. So first I'm just gonna iron on these with my iron. My iron is already kind of hot, so I'm gonna just iron on these. And I know this is a different type of material, so at first it acted like it didn't want to iron on, so I had to kind of steam it a little bit, and it was kind of like stuck on there, but eventually I peeled it off, and then I restarted, and then it ironed back on. I don't know how that happened, but it did. But I steamed it on. As you can see, the steam coming out of it, so it did steam on nice and tight. So y'all make sure y'all steam them on nice and tight. And that one stayed. So I did the flower first, and then I'm going to just run through and do the rest of them, make sure they're on. So there's my deck of cards. So again, we're going to steam it. This one act like it didn't want to go as well, but after I held it for a couple of seconds, it went through. So y'all make sure y'all holding it on a couple seconds. So there you have it. It went on. I steamed the top one. You can see that steam still coming from the iron. So there they are. That's nice and cute. I thought that was nice and cute. It's giving girly, but still, you know, appropriate. So next thing, I'm going to add on some of those little teeny brooches that I had left. I had some of these left over from my junk sock video, so I thought they would be kind of cute to add on as well. They're like a flower, like rose, and of course they had the little backing on the back. So these are simple and easy. So you just kind of press through, and then you add the back to it as well. Nice and simple, cute, and it kind of gave like that flowery touch to it. And then I have another one that I'm just going to add. So these are literally 2 of a bulk that I bought a while ago for the junk stocks. So I thought they would be cute just to go ahead and add. So I poked through and put the backing on. So it's starting to take some type of form. How cute is this already? And then finally, I'm just going to add in some of those pink beads that I had before. So this pack had, I think, over like 1,000 of these beads in there. Yeah, it was like small pearl ones. It had some bigger pink ones. It had white pearl ones. So I thought it would be cute to just add a couple of these to it. So I'm gonna add, I think maybe like some of the bigger ones on the inside. So I'm going to add the bigger ones onto the actual tie. And then I have like another smaller set that I was just going to bling around the top. So I thought that would be super cute just to kind of add them in and give it a little bit more detail. And again, you guys can do whatever you want to do with your tie because it's your own personal design. I didn't want to overdo, so I did a couple of them. And then the smaller ones I'm going to add again to the top around that like base of the tie. So super cute, nice and simple. So I'm going to add those in with my E6000 glue. So here I am gathering a couple. I dumped out the bag so I could actually find what I was looking for. It's a lot of them. So here's the E6000 glue. We're going to take that top off of there. And y'all, that little glue was trying to take my little bit of strength, but I said, hold on, let me give it a little squeeze. All right, there we go. So the top is off, and then we're just going to add the beads to the tie. So get a good amount of those. And then we're going to add it. We're going to add it. All right, y'all, I'm back. There we go. So we're going to add them first around the top, the smaller ones to the top. And y'all make sure y'all press down because with the E6000 glue, you got to have a decent amount in order for it to kind of stick and do what it needs to do. And then depending on what type of tie that you use, the material, of course, you know, some of them are like linen, some are rayon, some are a little more thicker. And this material, even though it's denim and it looks light, it was actually a little bit on the thicker side. The material was a little bit thick, so I had to kind of press down a little bit on them. So there I am. I added in already about 2 of it, so it's starting to look a little bit cute. So there we added those, and then we're just going to kind of do that whole entire line at the bottom. I was going to do top and bottom, but I was like, maybe that looks a little bit too much. So then we're going to add these to the base. We're going to add a couple in the middle and then a few at the top. So there we have it. So here is the final product. Y'all, how cute is this little tie? It could be paired so many different ways. I was like, oh, this is cute. It's giving schoolgirl. You can add your white shirt to it with a nice cute little pink skirt and some pink little sneakers. I thought this was super cute. So again, here is the final product. How do you guys like this junk tie? It's not really junk, but it's still cute like junk. How do you guys like it? Y'all let me know and hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.